welcome back to my channel. It's Claudia here. Today we're gonna find out if TikTok is lying to us, because I've seen a bunch of videos of people making this really creamy and delicious coffee without a machine, just by whisking it. So today I'm gonna recreate it and see if it's actually as delicious as it looks. The only reason why I'm skeptical, it's because whenever I see people making this, I always see how they combine everything together and they start whisking it, and then all of a sudden they just cut to like the end result where it's all creamy and delicious and everything. So I don't know if they're telling us the truth. So I'm gonna try it, see if it's actually as easy as they say. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so the first ingredient is just instant coffee. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee. I don't think it matters what kind of instant coffee it is or like what brand. That seems like a lot of coffee. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like this is gonna give me a mild heart attack. But I don't know, I'm just following the recipe. So now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Oh my god. This is what I like about this recipe. It's very simple, like 2, 2, and 2. There's no way you can mess this up. Watch me just mess it up in like 5 seconds. And now you just whisk for like half an hour apparently. Oh my god. Such a workout. It is so beautiful, so creamy. I kind of just want to eat it like this, but I know it's just like pure coffee with a little bit of sugar, so yikes. Probably shouldn't do that, but oh, it smells so good too. But yeah, it's like super creamy. Look at this. I ended up mixing it for about 10 to 15 minutes at the most, and I asked for help. I couldn't do it myself. I'm too weak. I need to go to the gym more. My arms were so tired, so I had to ask my dad to do it. But yeah, we did it in like 10 to 15 minutes, which is not that bad. Now we're going to prepare the drink. So we are going to add some ice to our cup. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Now we're gonna add the milk. You can tell they live in Canada because of the bag. That's probably good. That's actually a lot of milk. And now we're gonna add our delicious mix. Okay, so I'm gonna grab like a spoonful, which is gonna be like half. So it's gonna be like a good amount of coffee and sugar. Oh my god, this looks so good. It doesn't even, oh, look at that. Wow, I love this. This is so satisfying. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Yes. Do you see that peak? Like, what? And now we mix. I can't even mix it. Oh my god, I put way too much ice in here. Oh my god, yes. Okay, I added way too much ice. Whoops. Wow, this is amazing. It looks like a delicious, creamy iced latte. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful this is. I'm obsessed. I'm never drinking regular coffee ever again. Just kidding, I barely drink coffee, but this is just, oh, this just looks so delicious. I'm so excited to try it. Okay, let's do it. Wow, okay, hold on. This tastes a lot like a fancy drink from Starbucks. Like, what? New favorite drink right here. Wow. This is so good. I can't stop drinking it, but I probably should because it's kind of late, so not a good idea. But, oh, it's so good. Wow. You guys should definitely try it. TikTok was not lying. This is delicious. And it's actually pretty simple to make. Like, it took me maybe 15 minutes, so not so bad. It doesn't take too long, and I still have like some left to make more if I wanted to. So this is good. This is really good. I'm surprised, pleasantly surprised, TikTok. Good job. Yum. Okay, now it's your turn to go make it at home. Mainly now that we're all bored, just staying at home. So definitely go make it and let me know what you think, if you actually like it as much as I do. I love it. So also, if you guys like your coffee very sweet, I would recommend adding a little bit more sugar. But this right here is like at the perfect level of not too sweet but not too bitter. So it's good just like this, but if you want it to be sweeter, definitely just a little bit more sugar, maybe like a tablespoon more. So good. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Today's shout out goes to this beautiful person. Thank you so much for your love and support. And if you like a shout out as well, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment down in the first 30 minutes that I post a new video. And that's pretty much it. I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye!